If you're looking for some fresh style and totally wearable crochet tops for spring and summer, you're in for a treat. Today I've got 6 amazing crochet top patterns that are perfect for the warmer months. All these patterns use beautiful, high-quality yarns like Kobu, Trubu, LB Collection Cotton Bamboo, and 24/7 cotton yarn. Let's jump right in and check them out. First up, we have the Summer Crochet Mesh Top by A Crocheted Simplicity. This top is perfect for layering over a cute tank or even your swimwear. Made with Kobu yarn, it's lightweight, breathable, and super comfortable for those hot summer days. The mesh design adds a stylish touch that's perfect for any casual outing. Next, we have the Sweet Pea Top by Evelyn and Peter Crochet. This top is made with Trubu yarn, which gives it a silky and luxurious feel. The design is simple yet elegant, making it a versatile piece for your wardrobe. You can dress it up with a skirt or keep it casual with a pair of jeans. Either way, you'll look fabulous. Moving on to the Positano Tee by Hopeful Honey. This tee is made with LB Collection Cotton Bamboo yarn, which provides a beautiful drape and softness. I'm currently working on a project with this exact same yarn, and I must say, it's a winner. But the Positano Tee features a relaxed fit and a lovely textured pattern, making it a perfect go-to top for your summer adventures. Up next is the Topaz Tee by Two of Wands. This top is crafted with Kobu yarn, offering a nice blend of cotton and bamboo. The Topaz Tee has a modern, minimalist design with clean lines and a flattering fit. It's great for pairing with your favorite jeans or shorts for a chic and effortless look. Another fantastic pattern from Two of Wands is the Servo button down. This top is made with Trubu yarn, giving it a smooth and elegant finish. The button-down design adds a touch of sophistication, making it a great option for both casual and semi-formal occasions. You'll love how versatile this top is. Last but definitely not least is the Roxy Tank by TL Yarn Crafts. Made with 24/7 cotton yarn, this tank is durable, breathable, and perfect for hot weather. The Roxy Tank features a simple yet eye-catching design that can easily be dressed up or down. It's an essential piece for any summer wardrobe. Plus, fun fact, I already made this tank and it turned out beautifully. You can check out that video by clicking the cards above or in the description box below. Be sure to check the description box for all the patterns mentioned, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crochet inspiration.